Hello students, welcome back to our video. In the last video we discussed about accounting as a language of business and is accounting a science or an art. And we also proved that accounting is both science as well as an art. And we also started with the discussion of qualitative characteristics of accounting information. Let's continue with that. We had seen that there are 4 qualitative characteristics of accounting information, that is reliability, relevance, understandability and comparison. These 4 qualities will help to sustain the trust of the users and would also show that the information which is presented is fully correct. Now, let's start with the first characteristics, that is reliability. The first qualitative feature of accounting is reliability. The users of information believe that prepared information represents the real picture. The task of information preparer is to sustain the trust of users. The prepared information has to be completely errorless. There should not be inclusion of opinion of an accountant or any other party. If rules and principles are fully followed, the prepared information would automatically disclose trustworthy presentation. Under the head of reliability, trustworthy presentation, neutrality and fully disclosure are included as sub-characteristics. In short, we can say that reliability is the first qualitative feature of accounting. It means that information which is presented in accounts should represent the real picture. The information should be fully disclosed and there should not be any secret maintained. Other than that, the information which is presented should also be completely errorless. There should not be any mistake made. And the opinion of an accountant or any other party should also be not included while presenting their information, while presenting the accounting information. So, under the head of reliability means under reliability, trustworthy presentation, neutrality and fully disclosure comes under reliability. And if the rules and principles are fully followed, then it would automatically show that the information which is disclosed is fully correct and trustworthy. So this was the reliability. Now let's move to the second characteristics. That is relevance. Relevant information is that information which meets the needs of the users and is competent enough to meet the needs of users of information. Relevance is that kind of characteristics which assist or which helps users to take decisions based on this information. The information prepared or presented by the accountant has to be of such a kind on the basis of which investor can decide that first, whether his past decisions were appropriate or not, whether his present decisions are appropriate or not, and whether his future decisions will be appropriate or not. So, in brief, presented information should be useful in the context of past, present and future decisions. In short, we can say that information which is presented should be competent enough to meet the needs of the users of information, and on basis of that, the information which is represented, on basis of that, investors can decide that his past decisions were appropriate or not, whether his present decisions are appropriate or not, and whether his future decisions will be appropriate or not. So on the basis of that information only, investors can decide that. So the information which is presented should be competent enough to meet the needs of the information, and along with that the information should also be fully correct and fully disclosed, and it should be trustworthy. So that was the relevance. Now the third characteristics of accounting information is understandability. In addition to relevance, the presented information should be of that kind which can be easily understood and interpreted by the information users. Understandability means provided information should have clear meaning. At the same time, preliminary knowledge of business activities and accounting is expected from users of information. Accounting has its own terminology, rules, and principles. If information user is not acquainted with this, he will not be able to understand the presented information very easily. In brief, we can say that information presented in accounts should have quality of understandability. The user also should have the knowledge of expected content. In short, we can say that information which is presented, it should be easily understood and it should be easily interpreted by the users of that information. And along with that, the users should have the knowledge of that content, should have the accountant knowledge to understand that information. So in short, we can say that the information should be easily understand to the users, and it should have the clear meaning. So this was the understandability. Now, last qualitative characteristics of accounting information is comparability. Another qualitative characteristics of accounting is comparability. Accounting information should be prepared and presented in such a manner where user can undertake comparison of profitability and economic solvency of two periods. Due to quality of comparability, users take their decisions by undertaking the comparison of results of two different periods. In case of company accounts, it includes accounting information of previous year and current year for income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. So here the comparison of accounting information of two different periods is made. So in short, it means that the accounting information which is represented, it should be comparability, because the users of the information would compare their information with the previous year information. They will compare current year's profit and economic solvency with the past 2 years period, and on basis of that they will make the decisions. So the users of information should the information should be in such a way that they can compare with the previous year profitability and economic solvency. So the information should be comparability. So besides this, inner firm comparison also can be made, between the with the help of the information between two companies, the comparison can also be made. So in brief, fully correct and useful information by including qualitative characteristics can be presented as follows. So fully correct and useful information means it should be reliability plus relevance plus understandability plus comparability. So all the addition means if we add all these four characteristics of accounting information, we get fully correct and useful information. So reliability plus relevance plus understandability plus comparability is equal to fully correct and useful information. So accounting information should have all these four characteristics for the to maintain the trust of the users, and to show that that company is giving full disclosure of the information. That company does not maintain any